Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As always, I have prepared a step-by-step guide how we can do a testnet of Scroll Sepolia. It's the final stage of their testnet, so it's very important to do the steps that are required so our wallet would be considered for the potential airdrop. So, small introduction to Scroll Sepolia. It's a L2 solution designed for scaling Ethereum, just like Zekasync, Arbitrum, and Optimism, and some others. And I'm sure, almost 100%, that this project will give us some airdrop tokens. So yeah, as you can see, I have prepared the step-by-step guide. We'll proceed with it a bit further. Also, we can check the Scroll project on the CryptoRank. We could see that it already has raised more than 80 millions with a total valuation of 1.8 billion. What's good that we can see some good investors such as Polychain Capital. It means that, as you know, they don't like to invest into bad projects. Yep. Maybe you know some others, but I'm not aware of them. So, guys, now we can proceed with our steps that we need to perform. So, our first step would be to add networks. So, we're clicking here, copying the link. Yep. Yes, our first step would be to connect our wallet, MetaMask. It offers us to switch to the Sepolia network. We're clicking switch network. And we can now check if the network has been added. Yeah, we could see that the network has been added. Now we can proceed to the layer 2 Scroll Sepolia. Also, we need to add it to our wallet. Okay, the first step is done. We added the networks to our MetaMask wallet. We can close it. Now it's important to receive the test tokens from a number of possible faucets. All of them are free, and all of the steps that are here are free because it's a testnet, so no worries that you will need some money for that. So we're going by the first link. You could choose any of them. I think one of the links is the easiest one. I guess it's the second one. Yeah. So also we need to copy our MetaMask address. Okay. Now we need to add it here and click send me Ethereum. Maybe if you're not logged into, you will need to log into your Gmail account or just register on this website. It could be done within a few minutes. It's very easy. So afterwards, we need to click I'm not robot and send me Ethereum. If you could see something similar to this, maybe it will be in different color. It means that the Ethereum has been successfully sent to your wallet. So after we received our test Ethereum, we could close this, close this. Again, you could choose any of these links to get your free Ethereum. Um, I think that the easiest one is the second, but it's up to you guys. Guys, we can now proceed to the step 3, where we'll need to transfer our tokens through one of the swaps. So we're proceeding with step 3. Yeah, I would like to repeat, guys, that you could find this manual and all of the other step-by-step guides, how to perform testnet, mainnets, on my Patreon channel. It's completely free, so you could just visit it and just proceed with the links that are mentioned in each guide. The link for my Patreon channel you will find under my YouTube videos. Guys, now we can proceed with step number 3. We need to bridge our tokens. So we're going with the third link. Important guys, here we should have Ethereum Sepolia and here Scroll Sepolia. Also important moment that I already tried um, with Sepolia L1 network and it did not work. So we'll now try to do it with the Scroll Sepolia. Most of this network we have added at our first step. You can see this on the video. But as you can see, it requests us to use Ethereum Sepolia. It means that L1. Okay, we're switching back to Ethereum L1 from Scroll Sepolia to just Sepolia. We see that our balance is displayed here. So I will try to transfer 0.5. It depends how much Ethereum, test Ethereum you received. I would suggest a transfer maximum the half of the balance. So there is some left for the commission. Also, I would offer to make it aggressive so the transaction will proceed faster. As you can see where the funds are depositing right now. We also could see this transaction in our MetaMask wallet. Also, we can see that it approximately will take 20 minutes. So we'll need to wait until we'll see it on the balance of our wallet. Also, we could click here and see if the status is success, which it is. We could see that our balance deducted 0.5, which we just transferred. Guys, our next step would be to send back our test Ethereum uh, from Ethereum to Scroll. We'll need to click to switch to Scroll Sepolia here. We could transfer any amount. The most important, the fact that there was a transaction. I would transfer 0.1. It does not matter. You could transfer more, you could transfer less. The most important that we have a transactions, that we have this transaction. Also, we could added gas fees if you want to transaction to proceed faster, but I will keep the same. Click confirm. And we need to wait until the transaction will be finished. Also, it's important, it's written that the scroll providers are still finalizing your transaction. This can take up to 4 hours. Once it's done, you will be able to claim your tokens here. So after a few hours, we'll need to come back here and to claim our tokens. Guys, we can go to step number 4, where we'll need to add liquidity. So we're clicking on the link. Now we need to connect our wallet, MetaMask. Next, connect. Also, it's important that our MetaMask wallet has the Scroll Sepolia network. We need to choose a token. We could choose any of those. I will choose this token Go. So we just need to swap some very minor amount. I will, yeah, I will swap 0.002. Waiting until our transaction will be finished, we could see that it ran successfully. We're closing. Now we need to go to the pool, new position. We're selecting our token Go. We could choose 1%, full range, I understand. We're clicking max, but I would suggest to decrease the amount by a bit, for example, 2.3. Approve Go, max, approve, waiting until it will be approved, clicking approve Go, preview, add, confirm. Waiting until the transaction will be finished. As you can see, finished in almost 4 seconds. So we need to wait until our liquidity will appear here. Afterwards, we need to click on it, and we'll need to remove a bit of our liquidity. I'm always removing 50%. It's important never to remove all of your liquidity. It's important to leave some liquidity. Remove, confirm. As you can see, it finished in 5 seconds. Yes, with Uniswap, we finished all of the required steps. Guys, now we can proceed with our last step. It's deploying the contract. It's also a very important step, so I would suggest not to miss it. So we're going with link number 5, deploy the contract. Also, guys, it's important that our MetaMask wallet is set to Scroll Sepolia Testnet, which we were editing at the beginning of this video. So what we need to do here? Firstly, we need to click contracts, storage. Afterwards, we need to click on this Solidity compiler. We need to choose, I would not suggest to choose the last one, but pre-last one. Usually they work the best. Afterwards, we need to click on this blue button, compile, waiting until we'll have here a green arrow. If this green arrow appeared, it means that everything was done correctly. Now we need to go here, uh, environment. We need to change to injector MetaMask. And it's important that your wallet is displaying here. You need to check. You could check only the last numbers or letters of your wallet and compare it to your MetaMask wallet. So as you can see, I have F2 and same F2 I have here. So it's my MetaMask wallet. After we chose injected provider MetaMask, we need to click deploy. Then we'll need to sign transaction in our MetaMask wallet, confirm. And we need to wait a bit until here at the bottom we'll have a green arrow, same as it here. As you can see, the green arrow appeared. It means that everything was done successfully. Also, we can double check it in our MetaMask wallet, clicking activity and the contract deployment. As you can see, contract deployment is in the status confirmed. Also, we could check this on the blockchain explorer. We could see that result success confirmed, everything is approved. Yes, so we finished our last step. Also, guys, if you remember, I was saying a few steps back that we'll need to come back to this part and claim our tokens back. So if you see this button is orange and you can click claim and switch, please do so. So we're clicking switch. We're switching the network to Sepolia. Now we need to claim our tokens back. After we claimed our tokens back, we completely finished all of the testnet that is required for this stage. And yeah, we'll wait until the scroll project will already go to the mainnet, and hopefully we'll receive some nice airdrop. Also, guys, I'm repeating that you could find all of the steps in my free Patreon channel. I post here the post about the projects, testnet, mainnets that could give us potential airdrop. As you can see, I'm describing here everything step by step, which you could follow by watching the video. And I think uh, usually it requests not more than 20-30 minutes. Guys, thank you for watching this video. As always, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as Patreon channel, which is completely free. I will post new videos on how it's possible to do testnet, mainnets, which could possibly bring us some nice airdrops. Again, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.